Hi guys, it's great to see you again. This tutorial is hopefully going to answer a lot of questions that Canva fans have been asking because I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to insert a table into a Canva template. So many of you are educators and you want forms for students to fill in online. Or you're freelancers like me and you want to be able to send documentation to clients to fill in and return to you. Or you might want to just have a working document to help you keep track of your expenses. So knowing how to add a template to a document, which can then be edited, is hopefully going to solve a lot of problems for you. I've also got a little bonus for you this week, which I'll share with you later on, so make sure you stay tuned. As always, I'd be incredibly grateful if you would show me your support by giving this tutorial a like and of course share it with your friends. We've got a lot to cover, so let's To share these with my students or a colleague, how do I go about doing that? Well, that is a subject which is for the next tutorial, so make sure you stay tuned until the next time. So I mentioned at the start of this tutorial that I've got a little bonus for you this week, and I've created some documents, some templates, which you can download yourself. They are tables within documents, which will help you with your projects, your coursework, whatever you have going on. You can download these for free by clicking on the link, which I will leave in the description box below. Please do give this tutorial a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more tutorials. I will see you next time. Bye!